Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. 5 years ago, a police officer was called to an incident at a house in the Midlands here in the UK. When he arrived, he found a middle-aged black man who was suffering from mental health issues involved in an altercation with his father. The police officer stepped in and tasered the man. A taser is a kind of weapon which delivers electric shocks, and the police are only supposed to use it for 5 seconds at a time. However, this particular police officer held it on the body of the man for 33 seconds, more than 6 times longer than he was supposed to. When the man then collapsed, the police officer, a white police officer, kicked him in the head twice. An hour later, that man was dead. The man was called Dalian Atkinson, and at one point he'd been a top-class professional footballer playing for the Premier League team Aston Villa. After his death, his partner and his family launched a 5-year-long campaign seeking justice, and amazingly, last week the police officer responsible for his death got done for the killing. This is the first time a police officer has got done for murder in over 35 years. So it was a real landmark decision, a real landmark day. If somebody gets done for a crime, they get taken to court and they get found guilty, they get prosecuted, and then they're sentenced in some way. So you might get done for drink driving, or you get done for tax evasion, or you get done for murder. And then, maybe, after the jury finds you guilty, the judge sentences you, you might get 5 years, you might get 10 years, or you might get life. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of stories involving people getting done.